Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a website with Wix. Full guide. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, click Create New Site. Next, choose the type of website you want to build. Wix will ask a few questions about your website and may recommend using its AI website builder. You can either let Wix generate a website for you or choose Select a Template if you'd rather customize everything yourself. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best matches your needs. Once your website opens in the Wix editor, you can begin customizing it. Replace the default text with your own content, upload your logo, and change the images to match your brand or project. You can click on any section to edit the text, adjust fonts, change colors, resize elements, or rearrange the layout until you're happy with the design. If you need additional features, click Add Elements or Add Apps from the left-hand menu. Here you can add contact forms, galleries, blogs, online stores, booking systems, chat widgets, social media links, and many other useful tools to enhance your website. Before publishing, click Preview to see how your website looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments if necessary. Finally, click Publish. Choose your website address, and your new Wix website will be live for everyone to visit. And that's it. You've successfully built a website with Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.